If you've ever tried to film clean overhead shots, whether it's unboxing tech, shooting top-down tutorials, or grabbing product B-roll, you know how awkward it can be to rig up a stable setup without spending a fortune or drilling gear into your ceiling. The Neewer overhead camera rig has been my go-to for all of the unboxing shots that you see on this channel. It's simple, sturdy, and surprisingly affordable, so let's break it down. So when I first started experimenting with filming overhead shots, I tried everything. Tripods awkwardly leaning over my desk, boom arms that never stayed in place, and even stacking boxes to try and balance the camera. Don't do that, bad idea. Nothing was stable or quick to set up or even tear down, so I grabbed this Neewer overhead camera rig to see if it could give me a clean top-down view without taking over my workspace. And honestly, I've stuck with it ever since. Now the build quality of this is genuinely solid for the price. It's made from an aluminium alloy, so it's lightweight but doesn't flex or sag, even with a heavier camera or light attached to it. You get two vertical bars and one horizontal crossbar like this that connect together, plus sturdy desk clamps to lock the whole rig securely in place. And here's the part that I didn't expect. The clamps themselves feel really high quality. They grip the desk tightly and don't slide around, even if you accidentally knock the rig. The handles that you use to tighten and adjust everything are large and easy to operate, but they are plastic. So they haven't let me down yet, but personally I'd love to see Neewer upgrade these to metal in the future just for that extra durability. So inside the box you get a couple of different mounting options that you can use for the vertical crossbar. So you get this little clamp that attaches to that vertical bar, and then to attach to that you get a couple of different ball heads. You also get an option to mount your phone if you want to use that. The setup for this took me around 10 minutes start to finish, and the best part about it is, once it's clamped on, you can leave it there permanently. There's no daily hassle of setting up and tearing down. So I use this for all of my overhead unboxing footage that I've done on the channel as of late, and it is genuinely rock solid. Even if I accidentally bump the desk slightly whilst filming, the camera stays perfectly stable. I've used it with both a lightweight mirrorless camera and my phone rig, both held steadily with no dropping or drifting during long takes. This thing really impressed me for a few reasons. It's sturdy and stable with no flex or wobble once you lock it into place. The compact design means you don't need a huge studio or any ceiling mounts, and setting it up is quick. You'll be ready to shoot in minutes. The clamps also feel solid and hold everything securely without scratching up your desk. Plus, it's also a lot more affordable than ceiling rails or even bigger overhead rigs, so you get a lot of value for the price. This rig has been really rock solid for me, but there are of course a couple of things that I would change. Firstly, it's built for desks up to around 120 centimeters wide straight out of the box. So if you've got a really wide or corner desk, you might have trouble centering it without an extra piece or a bit of DIY tweaking. Also, while the clamps themselves feel really solid and well built, the handles you use to tighten them are actually plastic. They do the job just fine, but having them in metal would really make the thing way more robust. If you want smooth, stable overhead shots for unboxings, reviews, crafts, or really anything top-down, and you don't want to spend hundreds on a ceiling rig or wall mounts, the Neewer overhead camera rig is honestly one of the smartest budget buys that I've made for my studio. It's strong, easy to install, stays out of the way when you're not filming, and honestly, just does the job. But I would say check your desk width first. If you're under 120 centimeters, you're good to go. I'll leave a link to this product down below if you do want to have a look at it for yourself and upgrade your setup. And also check out this video on the screen right here for another amazing tech video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.